As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, there are numerous freelancing platforms available that connect freelancers with clients seeking various services. Here are some of the most popular and reputable freelancing platforms, along with a brief description of each. 1. Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest and most well-known freelancing platforms. It offers a wide range of services, including web development, graphic design, writing, virtual assistants, and more. Freelancers create profiles, submit proposals for projects, and clients can hire based on their skills and expertise. 2. Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is a global freelancing marketplace that covers various categories, such as web development, design, marketing, writing, and data entry. Freelancers can bid on projects posted by clients, and clients can select the best-suited freelancer for their job. 3. Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform that focuses on offering services in specific categories called gigs. Freelancers create gigs for services they can provide, and clients can browse through these offerings and hire freelancers directly. 4. Guru. Guru is a platform that connects freelancers with clients seeking services like programming, writing, design, and more. It offers a workroom feature for better project management and communication between freelancers and clients. 5. Toptal. Toptal is a premium freelancing platform that focuses on providing high-quality talent in areas like software development, design, finance, and project management. Freelancers go through a rigorous screening process before being accepted into the platform. 6. 99 Designs. 99 Designs is specifically for graphic designers. Clients can run design contests or hire individual designers for projects such as logos, illustrations, and web designs. 7. People Per Hour. People Per Hour caters to a wide range of freelance services, including web development, design, writing, marketing, and more. Freelancers can create hourly or fixed price offers, and clients can post projects or browse through available freelancers. 8. Simply Hired. Simply Hired is not solely a freelancing platform, but it includes a section dedicated to freelance job listings across various industries and locations. 9. Remote.co. Remote.co focuses on remote jobs, including freelance opportunities, providing a curated list of remote work opportunities from reputable companies. 10. TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a platform where freelancers, also known as taskers, can offer services for tasks like house cleaning, furniture assembly, moving, and other home-related chores. Please note that the availability and popularity of freelancing platforms can change over time, and new platforms may emerge. It's essential to research each platform, read reviews, and consider factors like fees, payment methods, and the type of projects offered before deciding which platforms to use. Always be cautious of potential scams and protect your personal and financial information when using freelancing platforms.